What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. If it is your first time here, welcome, and if you are returning to my channel, welcome back. I don't know what's similar on the right. Big up on yourself straight. All right, you guys. So as you can see, it's a little mukbang thing that I'm doing. However, I'm going to be doing just a little bit of talking, a little bit of updates on my cooking channel. Haven't done an update in a minute, but you guys, before I get in any further, thumbs up the videos for me, because this is how you support me and this is how you support the channel. Okay, now I have a baked fish here, and I think I already told you guys about this specific baked fish business here, right? It is so darn good. It doesn't even matter. I'm out of water already. It doesn't even matter what kind of fish you use for the recipe. Any fish that you like is perfect. Now, I am going to be having some sweet pickle because I love sweet pickle. Absolutely love sweet pickle, right? So I'm going to be having, oh, thank God. Thank God it opened. So I'm going to be having some sweet pickle, and then I have some water here. Okay? All right, so you know what? I have a fork here. A spoon, because them good juices, you know, that's something that boo. No normal. Let's pray. Father God, please take away any impurity from this food. I want to thank you for this meal. I want to thank you for my hands that provide this meal. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for giving me strength. Take away anything that doesn't suit my body any good. Send it back to where it comes from. Let nothing but nourishment, mentally, financially, spiritually, in every kind of way, Father God. And provide for those that don't have a meal. And also provide for that haters. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, you guys. So, I did 2 fish. One big one for Obi, and the little one for me. Now, husband got a snapper fish is what he got. And I got a fish that he likes. I can't remember the name right now, but I know the fish is so good. I've had it one time. Now, this fish is well seasoned, you guys. I can't wait. Listen, I'm going to do it over. I think we did a recipe phone already with the same thing. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this steam that's coming out of this bad boy. I have to make sure that y'all is seeing this goodness over here. Okay, so let's break this baby down. Okay, let's break this baby down. Break it down all the way down. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. Oh my God, that is looking good. This fish is not a big one, but I'm gonna do another one and showing it from start to finish, and also be eating that on camera too. So this one has plantains and vegetables and okra and lots of butter and garlic, seasoned with all my good flavors. I have thyme, I have rosemary, listen, turmeric. We got it, okay? We got it. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. So good. Look at that, you guys. That's the plantain. So what you want to do first is fry the plantain first. Okay? When you fry the plantain, then you add it to it. Oh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all. Absolutely. Now, with them, there's something good to say. You can taste the rosemary. If you guys don't season your meat with rosemary, trust me, you need to start doing that. Because it gives your food a different kind of flavor. This fish is not big. It's not big. But y'all. The rosemary and the thyme, look on that. Talk about flavor. Talk about smell. Good. It's hot. Raw. Have some mixed vegetable in there too. Corn, green bean, okra, string bean. Trust me, it's so good. And pepper, but I didn't pop it though. Very small pepper. No, my husband, no, I have to put a big pepper in a female one. I have to pop it. Then I have ginger on it too. Ginger and turmeric. Y'all, gotta get that spoon, baby. Cause we need that fish soup there. Look at this. Don't taste the pepper though. My goodness. Even though the pepper is small, it really gives it a good flavor. So good, y'all. Y'all, the food's so good, I can't talk. So good. Look at that. Okra juice. That's all okra. All okra. So what I did was stuff it with some okra into the belly. Put okra. This is all okra juice, you guys. Look at that. You know what I'm saying about okra, right? Let me tell you something. Now cut up some turmeric, cut up some ginger, mix it together with the okra, and stuff the belly of the fish. Pimento seed. All okra, this okra. So damn good. How you are all doing, good I hope you all are doing amazing and fabulous on this blessed Sunday. It is Sunday, you guys. It is Sunday. I think the name of this fish, this fish that I'm eating, and this is like, I think this is the second time I'm eating this fish. It's called black bass. I think so. My husband liked the fish, y'all. But he had snapper. He had snapper with female. You can taste the green seasoning. Look at that. I think this is the first time I do a mukbang with me on chat. Right, Jasmine? So good. Sweet pickle. The turmeric, the fresh turmeric, with the powdered turmeric, you can taste it too. Right with it. Your girl can't talk. Let me tell you, the something tastes nice enough. I'm not a joke. You know when it's something, you know when something slap you and you take a bit away, this like took my breath away. Come on. Well seasoned. And the thing about this fish, y'all, I didn't even make it marinate. But just put the seasoning pan, make the seasoning on container. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Now I have a swallow bone. I put the seasoning in a container with garlic, fresh garlic, green seasoning, and all some other seasonings and stuff. And then spread it all over the fish. And just put it right into the oven after I put all the vegetables on there. Didn't let nothing marinate, and trust me, it just like to marinate for 10 years. The key to good tasting food is just seasoning. What you put on it. You know, I eat bone. Which are the fish head. If y'all eat fish head, let me know. Not every Jamaican eat fish head. My husband, Jamaican, he might like fish head. But me, all of my siblings, and I don't think my brother eats fish head. But all of my 3 sisters, them, with my 2 sisters, I know the other one eats fish head, but my sister that died the other day, she loved fish head. Bad. And the one before that. I mean, them stuff when they suck fish head, you're smart. That's what I'm saying. And I would want to think that I'm smart. So, let's go ahead and enjoy my fish head. Yes, Bo. That is good. I love these bad boys, man. Just nudged my teeth a while ago. Because I'm having dental work done, you guys. For the past, like, 2 weeks. I've been doing dental work. So, this cold, I felt it from my teeth. Let me just eat this with my hand. Spoon, now I'm gonna do this right now. On the fork. The fish is good. Yeah, where's my okra? I guess that's it, you guys. We've done it. This was good. Good as hell. Y'all. That was hella good. Oh man. Okay, y'all, so what I was really wanted to say was oh, that burp, they won't come up with it's a clear mind game with me. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Alright, y'all. I'm done here. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to be uploading 3 times a week on this channel, okay? 2 will be cooking videos. The other one will be anything that's related to food, such as this one, such as me going out to eat, or whatever. Maybe a haul, maybe a review on something. But I'm definitely going to make sure that you guys have 3 videos every week. Now, as long as I'm in the kitchen, I'm figuring I could probably do a, you know, you'll see me doing my dishes because it's kitchen related, and starting a cooking or preparation or something in the kitchen. I'm going to do whatever I need to do as long as it has to do with kitchen, right? And food. So just to make sure that you guys get at least 3 videos every single week. So that is my plan here. I'm still having issues with my YouTube channel. I've been having that issue for some time. Couple years actually. And so I just purchased another phone. So that way I could give you guys good content. And let's just say the YouTube is not allowing that phone to be registered to the channel, okay? So I'm having a hard time, a very hard time. I'm not even able to edit videos from my computer. Can't even log in there. I can't verify my account. It's just been crazy. I'm stuck with using one phone. So if that phone gets lost, you guys, I'm screwed with this channel. This channel is screwed. This is what's popping. When I first realized that I was having a problem with the channel, it did stress me out a lot. That was probably about 4 years ago. Over 4 years ago. When I first realized I was having a problem with the channel, how to cook. And up to this day, I'm having problems. Especially because I just changed my phone over. The number is registered, but for some reason I'm not being verified from the phone that I'm using. So I'm having a hard time still with this channel. This channel is starting to be a pain in the ass. But sometimes I tell myself that I'm helping even one person. YouTube been messing with my channel, you guys. They've been messing with this channel for a while. I think that they do not to a lot of creators that been doing this for some time. They might have to get my offer here. They're messing with my views. They're messing with my subscribers. They're messing with my monetization. About more, I'll say maybe a lot of the videos that I've had up here. I'll say when I first started, into the middle part, even into the middle part of what I was doing YouTube. Some of those videos are not even being monetized right now because the free music that they told me that I could use in the videos, those videos are being shared with other third-party people. So, needless to say, they're messing up my entire flow with this channel. It's really, really stressing me out. But I'm not going to allow it to stress me out. Because sometimes God makes things happen for a reason. Sometimes He wants to take you into another direction of a path of doing something different. So that's how I'm looking at it. I will continue to try to bring contents from the only device that I know that I could bring you contents from. And if that device get lost, you guys, or if they log me out of that device, then this channel is going to be shut down. Because it's just been crazy. I have other things that I do to keep me going. But I believe that really God is kind of telling me that maybe there's something bigger that I need to be doing. But in my heart, I still want to be able to upload. Or I still want to be able for some of you guys to be able to see my contents. To help somebody to make a recipe or whatever. But this platform has been taking a hit for the past couple of years. And it really doesn't motivate you to do nothing because it doesn't make any sense. You put your blood, sweat, and tears into the video and you upload it and it doesn't get any views. It doesn't get any recognition. You know, you get strikes. I even gotten strikes on my channel for content that belongs to me. Situations that I specifically put my channel does not made for kids and they still give me strikes regardless. I've had videos taken down on certain things that I do. And I'm doing cooking, right? Cooking related. And I still have videos that has to do with food that they took the videos down, you guys. Down. So, needless to say, I have no motivation really. I'm just pushing. I wish I could show you guys a message that I did get a while back. I'll say maybe 2 weeks ago. I woke up one morning and somebody sent me a message. And let me tell you something. After I read her message, I started crying because I was about to give the hell up on this platform, okay? And when I read her message, I was like, damn. I had to see myself through her eyes. Because I was starting to doubt myself at one point. And she gave me all the motivation that I need to get up and put some contents out there, even though I am using one device, you guys. You know what I mean? I think I shouldn't eat anything more. I'm stuffed. When I'm stuffed, I don't want to eat anything more. But I am definitely going to be drinking a little bit of water. I'm going to end this one, you guys. Just going to let you guys know what's going on. Like I said, I'm definitely going to try to bring you, I'm definitely going to try to bring more contents at least 3 times a week or whatever, okay? But just be patient with me. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.